In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite Analytics, your complete guide for 2025. So whether you're diving in for the first time or need a refresher, this guide is designed to clarify each step. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to hootsuite.com and log in. Make sure you've connected all your social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This is essential for tracking analytics across all platforms you use. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Hootsuite dashboard. Look to the left-hand menu and click on Analytics. Here, you'll find the Analytics overview, which provides a snapshot of all your connected accounts. This overview can be invaluable for summarizing how each social media account is performing at a glance. Now it's time to choose the type of report you want to explore. Hootsuite offers a variety of reports. Summary reports give you a brief look at your overall performance. If you're interested in digging deeper into a particular platform like Facebook or Instagram, you can opt for platform-specific reports. And for those who prefer a personalized touch, custom reports allow you to tailor what metrics you want to track. If you decide on a custom report, simply click Create Report to get started. Understanding key metrics is pivotal for leveraging the power of Hootsuite Analytics. Some of the main metrics include engagement metrics, which measure likes, reactions, comments, shares, retweets, mentions, and tags. These metrics gauge how your audience is interacting with your content. Additionally, you'll encounter reach and impressions, which show you how many unique users have seen your posts and how many times your content has been displayed, respectively. You'll also want to monitor your follower growth, which provides insights into how your audience is expanding or contracting over time. Metrics related to clicks and traffic, such as link clicks and website visits, are crucial for understanding how much web traffic your social media posts are generating. Lastly, identifying top-performing content can help you see which posts receive the most engagement, offering direction for future content strategies. Hootsuite makes it easy to visualize these metrics with graphs, charts, and tables. By hovering over these data points, you can get exact numbers. Applying filters lets you narrow down the metrics by varying date ranges, platforms, or post types. When you need to share your insights with your team or clients, Hootsuite allows you to export these analytics reports as a PDF or CSV file. Simply click Export and you'll have a handy document ready for distribution. Finally, armed with all this data, it's critical to take action. Determine which content types are most effective, keep track of audience engagement trends, and adjust your strategy. Modify your posting schedule, times, and types of content based on the insights gained. By being proactive, you can continue to improve your social media performance and drive successful engagement. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering Hootsuite Analytics. Dive right in, explore the features, and watch your social media impact grow.